Hello, I'm going to read you a story called The Donkey in the Hole. Farmer Waleed's favorite donkey slips and falls into a deep hole. Try as you might, but he can't pull it out. No matter how hard he tries, it is of no use. The nearest town is hundreds of kilometers away. There are no vehicles passing by either, and the sun is starting to get harsh. Oh God, I need your help. I don't know what to do. Please show me the way. Please help me. I am in so much trouble. Farmer Waleed starts to make lots of prayer. Whenever it is time to pray, he makes wudu at the river, which is a few kilometers away, and he prays and makes prayers all night. After a few hours, he comes to the hole to feed his donkey by throwing some grass into the hole. After a couple of days and many hours of prayer, sad Farmer Waleed decides to bury his donkey alive. Soil is poured onto the donkey from above. The donkey feels the load, shakes it off, and steps on it. More soil is poured onto the donkey again. The donkey shakes it off and steps up. The more the load was poured, the higher it rose. By noon, the donkey is on ground level. He steps out of the area where the hole used to be, and within minutes, he is once again grazing in green pastures. Thank God. Farmer Waleed has never been so happy. He does a special prayer immediately to thank God. Alhamdulillah. After much shaking off of problems and stepping up, learning from them, and making plenty of prayers, and then leaving the matters to God, one will graze in green pastures.